Good morning, and I actually haven't done that at the very beginning, and I have to do that right now when I check out. So, welcome to this little room tour of my little apartment in this condo. And I think I'm just going to start here with the kitchen. So you can see here that this is a brand new kitchen. I mean, everything here is brand new, just got opened like 4 months ago. For moving in, and yeah, here you got fully equipped, like with a fridge, with a microwave, with a kettle, with full oven hob, and this thingy which sucks air out and just pushes it out thingy. And yeah, like, I mean, it's a rather modest one in terms of what it has inside, but like, I mean, the quality of the things seems to be alright. I mean, cannot complain. Also, one thing what I really find nice about this place is also that you have a washer and a dryer in here. Didn't use it personally, but I think for someone who is here for a longer stay would appreciate it. And yeah, I mean, lots of empty compartments, because like if you rent it out to tourists, it's going to be okay lah. So that's just one example of what you can get. Like, that's definitely not a big problem at all. Then you got here this little dining area, has very much enough space for a table for 4. A few decorations here as well, like mirrors and the wallpaper. A small couch table, a couch, and a TV, which I actually didn't even turn on, but I think I'm just going to do it now. The couch is pretty comfortable, so it is very much enjoyable. It's just here right at YouTube. Let's see if there's any TV channels. So as you can see, this is a full smart TV. I think I'm just going to turn it off because it makes no sense to use it. I mean, it just feels like a really nice living room. Also, let me check out the balcony. The door is a bit flimsy. Close it. Right here behind you got the aircon ledge behind this wall, like it is locked with a key. And down here you have the view towards Pudu. I mean, it's nothing too spectacular, but it's like nice enough. And right there in the distance you see Bangsar. Yeah, it is what it is. The most important thing is also in here the aircon. Yeah, like even like all the switches, and they're all at a pretty good height. The intercom, but no need for that one right here. I mean, as a person who is just a guest here. And this is the principal bedroom. I mean, it is okay size. It's not too big. I mean, you have a rather big wardrobe, night table. And of course here a completely empty wall. I don't understand what this kink is for. I mean, honestly, you probably have to ask some carpenter or someone who is just like an interior designer to get you actually a piece what you can store here. Also got an aircon. The bed I have here is pretty comfortable, so no bad night's sleep at all. And also even outside, for someone who is not a Muslim and doesn't pray 5 times a day, the azan didn't disturb me. It was pretty alright. Got also some hair dryer and iron. I don't think that there is an iron board, but yeah, I don't know where would you iron? Maybe on the dining table? I don't know. And you have like 4 drawers. This is something what it disturbs me also a little bit. Like if I press this button, You hear ventilation up there very clearly, it's so loud. But anyway, this is the bathroom. Pretty reasonably sized. I really like the pattern here. It is not a wallpaper, it's actually a pattern which you can actually touch and has spaces in between which are a bit deeper than the circles on the surface. A very long mirror, that's a sink and the WC. And here you also have the bidet, which is very important for some people who do not use this thing over there. And the shower, it's a rain shower, and I mean you have here a lot of spaces to put your shampoos and all that stuff, and you have a lot of space here to just stand and enjoy the shower in general. The host provided me with 2 towels, and also with not 1, not 2, but 3 pairs of slippers. The highlight of this condo has to be the facility deck with the infinity pool featuring the view towards KLCC and Merdeka 118. The pool also features a glass floor in a circle shape, which is pretty cool. At night it looks even more impressive because all the buildings are illuminated. It is definitely an amazing experience to chill on a sunbed or inside the pool leaning on the edge and enjoying the view towards one of the most impressive skylines in the world. But that's not all. On the other side of the facility deck there are separated bathrooms for each gender with a shower. For a spa experience there is also a steam bath and a sauna, which unfortunately I didn't get to use due to the hot and humid climate here. But there is a jacuzzi with the exact same view as the apartment has. Other than that, there are also 2 different gyms as well. In general, I think the facility deck is complete and of high value. Also, if you're coming with a car, the car's parking is free, and actually during my stay right now, I don't know how it will look like in the future, but the car park was empty. Like literally there were no cars in the residential car park, and I could just park my car anywhere. And that just shows how much Lucentia Residences is basically more of an investment property, not an on-stay one. And I think for investment purposes, like if you want to rent it out, like for tourists like me, definitely not a bad choice. I mean, for the fit and finish and for some other stuff, I think like there could be better places. And I mean like it is a really nice address, it's close to everything, it's right in the middle of Bukit Bintang, and you have right next to it an LRT station. How much would I rate this property? I think for what it offers, and especially for the price, it's a total 9 out of 10. I think like for someone who doesn't want to break the bank but have something special, this is the place to go.